You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Bonjour. Today we're going to be looking at how to say your age in French. This is Julian, the Frenchman who makes French pronunciation videos. We're going to be looking at how to say more vocabulary as well. So how do you say, I am 30 years old, as an example? Well, in English you say I am. In French you say I have. I have is said as j'ai. J'ai, which is the contraction of je ai, but you don't say je ai, you just put the apostrophe there and say j'ai. 30, which is French for 30, 30 ans. So essentially just replace the X here and add your age. So an is French for years, but you don't pronounce the S at the end, and it's pronounced an. An. It's a very specific sound made by an together, an. It's not that the N is silent, it's just that an together make this an sound. So j'ai 20 ans would be I am 20 years old. J'ai 40 ans would be I'm 40 years old. If you're unsure how to say the number of your name, well, have a look at those counting videos and how to pronounce numbers in French. It's a good lesson as well. And here are more videos to learn more French too. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching. Merci. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.